Are you tall enough to ride a Suzuki DR650? Exploring rider height in the Suzuki DR650. This can be done by adjusting the preload or installing a lowering link. Additionally, choosing a narrower seat can also improve reach to the ground. The bike's lightweight design and balanced handling further contribute to its accessibility for riders of different sizes. Fall weather and riding stress relief. We know fall weather in New England is known for its mild temperatures and comfortable riding conditions, which has been great. The freedom and exhilaration that come with exploring new terrains can help riders escape from their daily routines and immerse themselves in the present moment. The Suzuki DR650's versatility allows riders to tackle both on-road and off-road adventures, providing endless opportunities for exploration. The Suzuki DR650 opens up a world of adventure for motorcycle enthusiasts and adventure riders alike. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of adventure biking, the Suzuki DR650 offers endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. So, if you're ready to embrace the thrill of dual sport riding, especially in New England or anywhere else your adventures take you, consider hopping on a Suzuki DR650. Thanks for watching.